Welcome to the video. Today, we are learning how to grow and care for a snake plant. One of the easiest houseplants to maintain. This plant is perfect for beginners. Requires minimal care. And even purifies the air in your home. Step 1: Choosing the right pot and soil. Use a well-draining pot with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. A succulent or cactus works best for proper drainage. Step 2: Light and placement. Snake plants thrive in indirect light, but they can survive in low light too. Avoid keeping them in direct sunlight for long hours to prevent scorching. Step 3: Watering and maintenance. Water only when the soil is dry, typically every 2 to 3 weeks. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so always check the soil before watering. Step 4: Propagation and benefits. Easily propagate using leaf cuttings or by dividing the plant. Benefits include air purification, low maintenance, and releasing oxygen at night, making it great for bedrooms. Conclusion. Recap: well-draining soil, indirect light, and minimal watering. Pro tip: snake plants are perfect for beginners and busy plant lovers. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips. Benefits of a snake plant. 1. Air purifier removes toxins from the air. 2. Low maintenance, perfect for beginners. 3. Thrives in any light, grade for any corner of your home. 4. Releases oxygen at night. Ideal for bedrooms. Green heart, enjoy a fresh, green, and healthy home with a snake plant.